Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of your repository. To do that, you want to go ahead and click on the repository. You can find them on the left hand side here. So you want to choose a repository and then go to its settings. Now under the general section, scroll down towards the bottom where you have the danger zone and you will find the option where you can transfer it. So simple click and transfer. And what this is going to do is going to allow you to transfer the repository to another user or an organization where they will have the ability to create repository. So you can go ahead and click transfer from here, and then you want to proceed. So you need to choose an owner here. So you can type whatever it is. So if you're able to find an owner, you can basically enter the name of the owner there, and you can also specify the organization as well. So you can specify an organization if you have one, and then you will need to type the name of the repository basically here and ensure that there is no space, and then say I understand that you will be transferring this repository. Once you do that, guys, then you'll be able to transfer the ownership of that repository. And that's pretty much it.